Welcome back to the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. We want to say Happy Mother's Day to every mom this Sunday, March the 6th. Basically, I want to simply say to you, it goes for all moms. We love you guys and we want to big up every mom. And I did a video before and I just feel like we did another one just to take the time out again to say thank you so much, mom, for everyone in this world who is a mom, who's going to be a mom soon, who bring someone into the world. But it's just really love, joy and happiness to know that we can take the time out to say Happy Mother's Day. So this Sunday is Mother's Day. We have a few recipes going up already about Mother's Day. We do some fried chicken recipe, we do some pan fried pork, we do all sort of stuff. These ideas, guys, yes, some people might have said the same recipe, but they don't know. The recipe twists, there's different things in the recipe. But we still take the time out to say Happy Mother's Day for every mom this Sunday coming. And hopefully guys will have a wonderful time. And it's just brilliant. And hopefully guys will see you soon and enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much. Big up every mom. And we love every mom. One love from Chef Ricardo and the team. See you.